All right, everybody, how you doing? It's your boy George, aka Agent 86, and we got a new story here, hot off the presses. It seems that YouTube has terminated the Kodi NoLimits YouTube page. So if their page is down, who knows who's next? We're definitely going to be following this right here. And in this video, we're going to just read an article by Trusted Review, and then hopefully we'll go ahead and get some kind of discussion going down in there in the comments. We definitely want to know what you think. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to read this article here. It says popular Kodi guide YouTube channel disappears amid piracy accusations. Kodi NoLimits has more than 600,000 subscribers before it was taken down, according to Torrent Freak. And I'm going to open that in a new tab because we're going to be taking a look at that article also. When you try to access the channel now, a message pops up inside a red bar reading, "This account has been terminated because we received multiple third-party claims of copyright infringement." So here is the Kodi NoLimits page, and there goes that red bar that they were talking about. As you can see, it says just what they said. Account has been terminated because of multiple third-party copyright claims. The article then goes on to say, that's quite a vague explanation, but it isn't exactly hard to guess why YouTube might have decided to take action against the channel. We have seen similar action taken in the past on other channels. Kodi NoLimits didn't attract hundreds of thousands of fans by posting pirated content on YouTube. Instead, it was something of a hub for Kodi users looking for guides to certain add-ons and Kodi builds. As many of you will no doubt be aware, Kodi is completely legal software, blah, blah, blah. However, because of this reason, it's become so popular, and third-party developers have managed to create add-ons that provide access to shows, films, and live sports. So that hey. All right. So, it isn't uncommon for established add-ons to unexpectedly disappear. We all know this with the disappearance of add-ons like back in the days Mashup, which I remember was they went crazy. And then, of course, Genesis, Exodus, and Covenant, and Yoda, and all of these. So it's not unpopular, as they're saying in this article, for add-ons to go. That's why I always tell everybody, don't get married. Do not get married to these add-ons, because it's going to break your heart, man. It's going to break your heart. But that's all right. There's plenty of fish in the sea. All right, so that's pretty much it for this article. As spotted by Torrent Freak, Kodi NoLimits Instagram account posted an update this week confirming that YouTube channel has indeed bitten the dust. However, also promises that a new YouTube channel would be up by the end of the week. So Kodi NoLimits, you guys know that, man, I love you guys and stuff, man. I've been using the NoLimits build myself personally for a very long time. So I wish you guys the best, especially with the new channel. I'm definitely going to be a subscriber and probably put you as a featured channel on my channel as well. So let's go and pop over here to the original article here in Torrent Freak. So let's see what they have to say here. The popular Kodi NoLimits channel, filled with hundreds of educational videos about Kodi, was removed by YouTube recently. The video streaming service states that it received multiple third-party claims of copyright infringement, likely for videos that promoted third-party piracy tools. While all videos and more than 600,000 subscribers are gone, Kodi NoLimits is not backing down. That is definitely the truth. As we can see here, that the Kodi NoLimits site is up, as well as basically everything. Both 17 and 18 versions of the Wizards. Their fresh start, some apps, and other builds, including Ray's Adult, Krypton, Jed's Fire TV, Mammoth, Pulse, Schism, and Tron. Here, YouTube opened the door for millions of people to sharing knowledge and information with the rest of the world. This is also true for piracy-related topics. While YouTube itself doesn't allow users to post copyright-infringed movies or TV shows, there are many videos on the platform that demonstrate how to get this content elsewhere. What can I say? We only got a few thousand subscribers. Hopefully they don't take us off the air. Otherwise, we're gonna build a new channel from the start, man. Don't worry about it. So a lot of these tutorials center around Kodi Media Player, while Kodi itself is perfectly legal. There are numerous third-party add-ons that turn into a piracy platform. To achieve this, there are dozens of high-profile YouTubers who are willing to offer a helping hand. We got a message. A search for Kodi add-on guide on the YouTube reveals a treasure trove of options. Many of these feature Kodi add-ons are clearly display pirated movies while showing users how to access them. This has been going on for years, but there are more and more reports of videos and YouTuber accounts being flagged. Several Kodi piracy-related YouTubers have lost their videos or have found themselves demonetized. There is also what happened to Kodi NoLimits a few days ago. The popular channel with over 600,000 videos was removed by YouTube following multiple takedown requests from copyright holders. This account has been terminated because we received multiple third-party claims of copyright infringement regarding material the users posted. A message on the channel reads below. Kodi NoLimits before it was removed. All right, bam, there we go. There's a picture right there. For those of you who were already subscribed to Kodi NoLimits, very familiar site. It's unknown which video were found to be infringing. As far as we know, the account didn't post any pirated videos or TV shows, so we assume the copyright holders reported several tutorials as copyright infringement. The Kodi NoLimits website remains online. It still features several Kodi-related guides, including how to install No Limit Magic Build. However, none of the embedded videos are showing up as they still point to the terminated YouTube account. There is a chance that these may be updated in due course, though. While losing 600,000 subscribers is a severe blow, Kodi NoLimits is not backing down. Its Twitter account and other social medias are still active, including Instagram, where the channel shutdown was confirmed. So we're gonna just pop over to the Twitter account and see what else they're saying right now. All right, so here we go inside of the Kodi NoLimits Twitter page. If you would like to donate a few coins to support, okay, so there is a link there if you wanted to go ahead and give them some support. Please, guys, if you love me, give a subscribe to the new channel of Kodi NoLimits support, please. We got a tweet here from Kodi Best Bill saying, need your support, guys. I'm really depressed about this YouTube shutdown my channel, then Kodi NoLimits, and leaving lots of scammers posting crap to Kodi users. YouTube is going crazy. Yeah, I'm sure. There's a old tweet from old Doc Squiffy. So, well, that's pretty much it. I mean, we read a couple articles. Hopefully you guys learned a little something there about this. And for those of you who were wondering, what happened, there's a quick explanation. YouTube basically took it down, saying that they were basically helping people to use pirated material. They do have a new YouTube page coming up, so make sure that you subscribe to the new YouTube page. I'll be go ahead and posting videos for all of that there in the future too. So we want to know what you think. Go ahead and comment below. I promise that I'll go ahead and reply to every single negative or positive comment that you guys post. So I want to know what you guys think about the shutdown of the Kodi NoLimits YouTube page down below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. And, well, as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.